Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about how to use Arabic gum for its benefits. We're going to cover the benefits of Arabic gum as well as how to use it internally and externally, and a couple of precautions I want you to know regarding using this wonderful ingredient. Arabic gum is also known as Acacia gum or gum Arabic, and it is basically a natural gum that is derived from the sap of the Acacia tree, and it's been used for centuries for various medicinal purposes because it contains unique properties. Now, before using Arabic gum for medicinal purposes, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional to ensure that it is safe and appropriate for your specific condition. Now let's talk about the ways or the reasons to use Arabic gum. First of all, for our digestive health. Arabic gum has been used traditionally to help soothe digestive issues, and it forms a gel-like substance when you mix it with water, which can really help coat and protect the digestive tract. It can help reduce irritation, inflammation as well. It's also beneficial for conditions like gastritis, heartburn, and diarrhea. Apart from that, it's also amazing for our respiratory health. Arabic gum is also used as an expectorant to help ease coughs and respiratory congestion. It can also help to expel mucus and phlegm from the respiratory tract, making it easier for us to breathe. The third use is for sore throat relief. Now, because it contains soothing properties, Arabic gum can also be used to alleviate sore throat discomfort. You can start off by gargling with a solution containing Arabic gum. This really helps to reduce irritation and inflammation in the throat. The fourth use is for wound healing. Arabic gum has adhesive and wound healing properties. Now, in some cultures, it's also topically used as a paste or a poultice to aid in wound healing and protect the wound from infection. And fifthly is my favorite, which is its use in skincare. So it's mainly used in skincare products because it contains the ability to moisturize and soothe the skin. It's often found in creams, lotions, and ointments. It's used to help dry and irritated skin. And the sixth and final way to use it is in herbal preparations. Arabic gum is also used as a binder. It can be used as an emulsifier in herbal preparations, which really helps to keep the ingredients together and improve their stability. Apart from that, you can also use it in cooking, and you can use it as a emulsifier in making different kinds of nut milks. Usually I use sunflower lecithin as an emulsifier, and also because it is rich in choline, but I have previously used Arabic gum powder as an emulsifier to help bind the fat with the water when preparing nut milks. Now, here's a general guide I'd like to share with you on how to use it for its benefits. Now, there is one main way to use it for internal use, and that is as a gum solution. There are other ways as well, but I'd like to share with you this main way, and then I'll dive into other ways in future videos. So if you're interested, stay subscribed and click on the bell icon to be informed of our future videos. So for internal use, you can use it as a gum solution. You can start off by mixing Arabic gum with water to create a gel-like solution. First of all, you need to grind the Arabic gum. Mix it with water and it'll give you a gel solution. And I want you to start with a small amount of the gum, and gradually you will add water until you achieve the desired consistency. Then you're going to consume the solution. You can use it as a gargle. You could use it with water on an empty stomach in the morning. This will really help with achieving the benefits that we outlined in the beginning of the video, as well as help with gum health. Also, you can use it for external use as skincare, but one way I'd like to share with you is for wound healing, and you can do so by creating a paste by mixing Arabic gum with water and applying it to clean minor wounds or cuts in order to protect the area and promote healing. A couple of precautions I want you to know about. We've got 3 precautions for today's video. So always remember to 1. Purchase high quality Arabic gum from a reputable source. 2. Follow the dosage and usage instructions provided by your healthcare provider or according to the brand's instructions.